So here I am. This is the Doubletree Hotel. These are the streets of Wilmington, Delaware, right after the huge storm we just had. Yes, the office is closed today. Let's see what the rest of the town looks like as I go find a geocache. As you can see from the streets of Wilmington, the panic of a massive storm has struck the citizens here, to the point that everyone is scared to death to leave. Except for the guy in that truck, or the guy in the car. Again, you can see the streets are bare, and the panic of people who have not been able to walk correctly without the sidewalks being plowed. It's utter anarchy here in Wilmington. I've made it here, but as you can see, the locals are trying to dig themselves out after this massive storm. Who knows if they'll ever recover. You can see how barren the streets and the shops are. Maybe this really was the end for everyone here. You can see that even the local businesses have decided the weather is just too disastrous for trying to keep their business open today. Who knows how many people will go without their haircut today because of this horrible storm. Who knows where those paramedics are heading after this disaster. There really is no one who wouldn't want to be driving this horrible, stormy weather. I mean, look at those roads. It's so bad. How could you possibly ever drive on asphalt? Unfortunately, due to the severe weather, I've had to return to my hotel to take shelter in hopes that perhaps tomorrow I'll be able to leave the confines of my hotel room and make it back into the real world. But until then, I'll have to take solace in room service and a warm roof over my head, and maybe even take up some basket weaving. Who knows? This storm could go on for years.